Hello, good day. My name is Hussein, and I'm Forex Optimum Broker Financial Analyst. I'm back again to bring you all new updates in the financial markets that are exciting, astonishing, and with lots of opportunities. The most intriguing event of this week has already passed, and market reached quite positive. The S&P 500 broad market index resumed climbing and posted new all-time highs. Crude prices jumped to 2 year highs while the US dollar remained stable against a basket of other world's major six currencies. The president of the European Central Bank, Christian Lagarde, made everything possible for investors to move the markets to all-time high. After the meeting of ECB brought Mrs. Lagarde actually immediately devalued all market fears of high inflation, leaving all stimulus measures unchanged, including the PEPP bond purchase program. Moreover, she indicated the program might be expanded to compensate seasonal lack of liquidity. Concerning inflation, Mrs. Lagarde said it is far from rating ECB wants to have before moving to a normalization of the monetary policy. Her rhetoric was extremely dovish, soothing any possible strong reaction on the super high May inflation readings in the United States. The CPI actually index rose more than about 5%, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, highest since August 2008. Despite such terrifying high inflation reading, markets are not taking it seriously so far, as investors are looking at the reaction of two major central banks, and Mr. Powell and Mrs. Lagarde are keeping their brains on ice. But how long this silent race of the nerves would continue? Would Mr. Powell remain unflapped after the Fed next meeting Wednesday? Or could he signal that the Fed might finally taper its massive monthly $120 billion bond purchase program? Nevertheless, market would sound positive until then. The S&P 500 broad market index has not corrected itself to 3160 points as was expected, making just one attempt when it slid down to 4205 points. However, this dip was quickly bought, returning the index above 4220 points. With such strong support, we could not expect any correction to happen this week. Moreover, we should be prepared for new record highs next week before the scheduled Fed meeting. Crude prices were more volatile, with Brent crude hitting to 2 year high at $72.80 per barrel, thanks to the unexpected strong contraction of crude reserves with 5.24 million barrels in the United States. OPEC positive outlook for crude demand in the second half of 2021 also supported prices. A short downward spike at the end of the Thursday might be a signal of a possible slowing down of crude prices rally. Gold has performed no significant price movements this week, finishing it in a narrow rate trading range of 1890 to 1900 per troy ounce. It was possible that gold prices would remain or continue in this matter before Fed meeting next week. The greenback missed its chances to strengthen. The Euro USD remained near 121,850 level. It would be irrational to expect the pair to reach the support at 12050 before next Wednesday. So, sideways movement would be likely scenario. GBP USD is trading with a minimum volatility around 1.4120. However, the pair has some upside potential to 1240, 1.4230. If this level would be reached, some small short positions with the target at 1.4120 may be open. The USD JPY is the only pair that performed high volatility this week. However, it was waning. By the end of the week, the lateral movement within 109 to 109.80 range would likely remain the only scenario for the yen for the rest of the day. That's all for today. Thank you very much for listening, and see you guys next week. Bye bye.